Hello everyone. Prince of playing basketball. The action that demonstrated is called step back. In NBA, these guys often use this action to attack the basket. Now, I'm demonstrating the action step by step for everyone. Okay. First, no matter how far you cut, your cutting foot cross down, as well as the basketball. Before you do the step back, it means they'll jump backward hardly. At this moment, your posture transforms into a shooting posture. This moment focuses on how to balance your body, and it will influence on field goal percentage, and you have field goal naturally. Okay, that's all I want to say about topic for now. See you.